Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. If you forget your iPhone passcode, Apple's official recommended solution is to restore your iPhone to factory settings to remove the passcode. However, many people don't like this method because it's troublesome and may cause some unexpected problems that make the iPhone worse. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to remove forgotten iPhone passcode without restore. Method 1, using iCloud. iCloud contains Find My iPhone feature, which was designed to facilitate the user to find a lost or stolen iPhone, but it also can be used to erase your iPhone to remove your forgotten passcode. Erase iPhone only wipes all your personal data and settings, including your passcode, but doesn't restore your iPhone to factory settings or change your iOS version. Compared to restoring iPhone, this method is much easier and safer. You need a device with internet access to follow these steps, such as a computer or smartphone. Step 1. Use your Apple ID to sign in to iCloud.com in a web browser on any available device. The Apple ID should be the same as the one used on your iPhone. Once you have signed in, click the Find iPhone option. Step 2. After you enter the Find My iPhone page, select your iPhone and click Erase iPhone. So all your data and settings will be deleted, including the passcode you forgot. Method 2, using iPhone passcode refixer. To remove your forgotten iPhone passcode without restoring your device, the second option is to use a professional iPhone passcode removal tool. iPhone passcode refixer is on such tool that allows you to remove your forgotten iPhone passcode with just a few clicks of your mouse without having to perform a restore using iTunes. Make sure you have a Windows computer and follow these steps. If you don't have a Windows computer, borrow one from a friend. Step 1. Download and install the iPhone passcode refixer on your computer. After installation, launch it. Step 2. On the main interface, click Unlock Lock Screen and on the next page, click Start to proceed. Step 3. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the computer and click Next, so the software will recognize your iPhone. Step 4. Once the software recognizes your iPhone, you will see the following screen. Click Download to download the firmware package for your iPhone. The download will start automatically and complete in a few minutes. Just keep your iPhone connected to the computer and wait for the progress to complete. Everything is ready. Now click the Unlock button and the software will start removing your iPhone passcode immediately. Then just wait for the delete process to complete. It takes only a few minutes. Step 6. When unlock screen successfully is displayed on the software screen, your phone passcode has been removed. Then you can reset up and use your device. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.